video I'll demonstrate how to change buttons to a zipper on these jeans. First of all, unpick the buttonhole stands from the jeans. Later on, using a heavy-duty tool, carefully cut the back of the buttons. Then unpick the button stand to make space for the zipper. Cut out a small pattern on jeans fabric while leaving 1 cm for the seam line. Start stitching the zipper and the fabric that you cut. Make sure that the zipper is lined up correctly before stitching. Proceed with a double top stitch while following the path of the previous one. Iron the jeans after you finish stitching. Also, make sure that there are no hanging threads as you stitch. If this video helped you learn something, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos in this channel. Comment down below about any future video suggestions. Click here to watch my previous video and down here to subscribe.